Yeah, so we're here at LuxLive talking to customers about the latest technology in the industry, and specifically, of course, what we're doing at Tamlite. So we're really pleased to have this presence and to have the opportunity to showcase so much of the latest product developments that we've made at Tamlite in this last 12 months. One of the foremost product launches that we're making at LuxLive now is the Revo range. And really, that's kind of two ranges within one, because we have the Revo Comfort and the Revo Focus. And on the Focus, we have an option of up to 6 different beam angles, so you're covering many applications. It is not unique to Tamlite, but what we've tried to do with the Revo is to combine both product aesthetics with high-end performance. And we found that in applications for retail, for leisure, airport concourses, that people want to look at the product physically and judge it and assess it by its own appearance before they even get to the performance criteria. And with Revo, that's absolutely what we've done. And if beam angles and the application aren't that critical to the job in question, then on the Revo Comfort range, we have a more diffuse, softer light version to complement and complete the whole offering. A year ago at LuxLive, we were celebrating our 50-year anniversary, half a century of Tamlite in business, and we were making the market aware of some significant investments we've made in the run-up to that particular year. And 1 year on, what have we seen from that? Well, there's one very easy answer. If we look at our financial year that ended back in April, we had sales growth of over 25%. Our bottom line net profit almost trebled. So, clearly getting some results from the investments there. If I'm a bit more specific about what we've done, our electronics production, surface mount technology for LED light engines, well, we committed just shy of £1 million to that project 2 years earlier. Amazingly, driven by demand, I'm pleased to say, within the space of a year, or a little over a year, we've had to double the capacity of that line, and it's been a fundamental part of our success, feeding across all of the Tamlite business into our various luminaire offerings. Just about a year ago, decided to channel some significant resource into a dedicated specification team. And in the intervening 12 months, I'm pleased to say that team now numbers 10 people, guys with excellent industry pedigree and covering pretty much the whole of the UK and Ireland for that matter. The level of inquiries that we are quoting courtesy of this team from areas that we previously had no exposure to is massive. Don't mind using that word, and now orders are starting to land from that business as well. So it's extremely important to Tamlite's future. Not many people are aware that we have a large presence in North America as well, Tamlite Lighting USA. We've been in that country for 20 years now. Currently, we're in the process of expanding that business out of the home state of Florida into 3 other states. And at the same time, because we are 20 years in Florida already, the decision has been made and 40 acres of site have been purchased with a $45 million investment committed to put down a whole new facility for Tamlite USA in that southeast corner. And Tamlite USA have been successful themselves. This year, their revenues will be in the region of $60 million US. Of course, the American economy is 7 or 8 times larger than the UK. So, in my opinion, the guys will be struggling if they don't get themselves to a business that is far bigger than Tamlite England in the years to come. So, what we're seeing in the markets at the moment, as far as product price and quality are concerned, is quite a polarisation. Certainly, I feel that people are confident and are coming to Tamlite because they know they are getting a high quality product and they are getting a value for money offering within that. The challenge is that there are very many operators out there who, as LED allows, will make a product down to a price. And the fear is that customers haven't really got the understanding that in the end, they will only get what they pay for. And what we're seeing now, that people have had a few years to experience the pitfalls of LED, is a much stronger buy into the Tamlite brand. The fact that we've been here for 50 years, the fact that we were the LIA Quality Assurance Award winners last year. We have a dedicated team of technical staff, design staff, quality assurance. I've got 3 engineers on quality assurance alone. Many customers are glad to be assured of that and therefore come to the Tamlite brand with confidence that what they are receiving from us is a product which offers genuine value for money in terms of its performance and its reliability for the long term. I think that right now the general economic outlook is definitely clouded by Brexit, and I'm sure that many in this industry are seeing that effect with a slowdown down in project take-up. However, once the final outcome is there and known to everybody, I've no doubt that there is a pent-up demand that companies like Tamlite will be in a very strong position to take advantage of. If you consider something such as the research commissioned by companies like AMA, they suggest that maybe a fifth of the market currently has moved to LED, so that clearly leaves a massive opportunity. And it's not hard to go out and spend a few minutes in a car even to find installations and building stock who are still kitted out with legacy products where LED offers a compelling argument for efficient replacement today. And even going another stage, if I think about some of the Gen 1 LED product offerings that we were making 5 years ago, some of our own long-standing customers who've been loyal to Tamlite for very many years are now coming back to us to take today's latest technology, which itself offers an improvement on what we were selling back in 2013. So, we're now kind of facing the next challenge, which is to present a really solid and comprehensive offering in the world of connected lighting, smart enabled lighting. And a good example of that is our presence here at the show with our own resident expert, Jason Horton, delivering programs to the audience across the way on exactly that, including our eConnect system of monitored emergency lighting. But beyond that, if you consider our latest product catalogue for lighting projects, 300 pages long, the first 50 pages alone are dedicated to our vision lighting controls range. And that spans from your basic presence or daylight detector right through to our Vision Smart Pro, which is delivering options on asset tracking through heat mapping, for example, right through to the highest end possibilities there. And just as a future proofing on all of our new product offerings, as standard now, every luminaire that we are putting onto the market is Dali enabled. Tamlite Lighting have been coming to LuxLive since it started as visitors in the first year or two. We've been exhibiting here now since 2013. We find it an excellent platform to engage with our customers, to show the industry what we're about, to expose our brand to the wider market. It's an excellent show, well located, perfectly timed, and for us, something we look forward to throughout the year, and is always an exciting opportunity to our business.